2020 is setting sail for Grapevine, Texas and the beautiful Gaylord, Texan on July 30th, 31st, and August 1st. And we want you to be there. Bring your friends. Fanny will most definitely be there. And so will Fernando. And we want you to be there too. This voyage is going to be just like the Love Boat. Soon we'll be making another run. Only the love on this boat is all about teaching and education. Oh yeah. What do you think, Fanny and Fernando? Yeah. This 3-day cruise into educational waters will get you refreshed, reinvigorated, and ready to take on the challenges of a new classroom. So be sure and book your ticket today. We want you to know that we are offering this conference 2 different ways, both on-site and virtual. If you would like to watch it from the comfort of your own home, you can wear whatever clothes you want. Hey, it's going to be a wonderful conference, both on-site and virtual. And I will be there, and many other presenters will be there. So make sure you book your tickets today. It's going to be a fun voyage and a wonderful time for teachers just like you. Remember, July 30th, 31st, and August 1st at the beautiful Gaylord, Texan. Visit frogstreet.com and check out Splash on their webpage for all the information. And if you have questions, then just contact them at their toll-free number. We hope to see you at the conference this coming July and August. This is going to be one unforgettable cruise, so we hope to see you there.
Won't you come along? Join me in the song. It's time to say so long. It's been a wonderful day.